If you can let me know. Amazing. All right. So after BTC, we check XAU USD. I'm following the process you guys gave me here. BTC USDT, we check XAU USD. What else again? We'll check GBP USD. We check US30. Then what else? What pair again are we going to check? That's market weekly outlook. That's what we're looking out for. CAD USD. All right. So let's start with the one we have here. So BTC USD. Let's go to the money time frame. What we're trying to do here is top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Let's understand this market. Let's digest it properly so that it can be able to benefit us as well. So I'm trying to, let me push it this way. Then nice. So apparently, market is on an uptrend on BTC USD. Like no doubt. This is an uptrend market. But you remember what I told you last 2 weeks after that? I told you that because the market is an uptrend does not mean that uptrend will continue based on the pattern that will form. Okay, based on the pattern that will form. So on BTC USD, market is currently on an uptrend. Fine and good, amazing. So since the market is on an uptrend on the monthly time frame, does not mean that market should keep on buying, or does that mean that this is a retracement? It can be a reversal, who knows? So for you to understand, okay, what market needs to do. So sorry, I'm trying to reset my screen. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to reset my screen. Ouch. What's going on? But if you can hear me properly, kindly drop one, please. Let me be very certain. If you can hear me, kindly drop one. Let me be very certain. All right. And you can also see the screen. Nice. Thank you, guys. Let me share my screen again. I think this one was having issues. All right. Okay, nice. So as I was saying, market is an uptrend. There's no mean that market should just continue in an uptrend again based on what? Based on the pattern that has formed on the monthly time frame and the pattern that has formed on the weekly time frame. So if you look at this now, there's a pattern that is forming here, and this pattern is like a double top, which you can't see properly. Do you understand? So market can decide to just retrace and keep on tanking down based on what the patterns that will also be seen previously. So on the weekly time frame, I'll come to the weekly time frame. See, I've never used what? I'm not using trend line. I'm not using trend line on psychological level yet. I'm just understanding the market. On the weekly time frame, I'm seeing like an M pattern formation, which means the market wants to retrace to a monthly time frame, right? That I'm seeing an M pattern formation. So it's very important for you to understand this. This M pattern formation now, as it is an impulsive, is want to create a corrective. Now, if I was to trade this market, I'll only buy if this pattern here, thank you. If this pattern here has formed previously in this particular area here that push market up, let's start making this impulsive move. That's only when I'll buy. But now currently market created what? An M pattern formation. Although on the weekly time frame, the structure is still remains an uptrend structure. So now this particular explanation now helps you understand how to know where market wants to reverse and how to know where market just want to retrace. To help you understand how to know where market wants to reverse and how to know where market wants to retrace. How or why do we say the market? This market is an uptrend structure because this is the low that created this high here, and this low hasn't been broken yet on the weekly time frame. So apparently, market is still in an uptrend. Although this pattern that is forming literally can break this structure from being an uptrend to a downtrend structure. So always make sure that your mind is open and also understand what markets also do or does in the market. So now that we are done with the monthly time frame, and we already understand what you're expecting. Daily and weekly time, daily and 4 hours is to help us understand. So now what I'm expecting market to do is very simple. This is just like a retracement. I want market to come and form like an M pattern on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. Market come and form an M pattern. on the daily or weekly time frame, guys, please, you sell. You sell. You sell. You sell. Very simple. The market comes here and start forming an M pattern on the weekly, on the 4 hours time frame. Sorry, on the 4 hours time frame. Also on the one on the on also on the daily time frame. Please kindly sell. Kindly sell. It's very important. Kindly sell. So this is the trend that I'll be using. If not, if the market is going to continue to buy and it's going to buy aggressively, it's going to buy aggressively. Okay, it's going to buy aggressively. Sorry, can someone be teaching or be explaining what you understand on Bitcoin USD? I'm coming. I want to do something very quick based on the light issue. All right. Please, can someone help me do that? Who or she thinks that he or she can do BTC USD by the explanation or do a top-down analysis on Bitcoin based on what you understand? I can make you a co-host right now. If you can do that, kindly drop a one for me. Kindly drop one on the chat box so I can make you a co-host. Kindly drop one on the chat box. Nobody. Kindly drop one on the chat box. If you can do that, kindly drop one on the chat box. If you can explain, just do a top-down analysis. Let me go do something immediately based on this slight issue. Yeah, nobody can do it. Nobody can do a top-down analysis, guys. Then why are we online in the advance? Is this to take signal or what? What happened? What's the issue? Are we shy? If you can take this class, you can take a top-down analysis on Bitcoin, just a top-down analysis on Bitcoin. Can you let me know? All right, Paul Adjose. Amazing. Paul, I've made you a co-host. Are you with your laptop there, Paul? Paul, are you with your laptop?
Yeah, I'm on the laptop.
All right, kindly share your screen on Bitcoin USD and do a top-down analysis. I'm coming now, ASAP. I'm coming as soon as possible.
Okay, let me give you a background. Number one, I don't trade Bitcoin USDT. I only trade GU. But since that is the same strategy and
Do a top-down
nobody's
analysis on GU. Do a top-down analysis.
Okay, I can do that.
All right.
Okay.
You can share your screen. Can you share your screen? Let me be very certain.
Okay, let me do that.
Are you sharing now?
Yeah, I'm doing that now. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Not yet. It's about to.
Okay. What up
Can you
now?
do that again? Can you
Okay,
exit and share again? Yeah.
okay.
All right. It's exactly sharing.
Can you see it now?
It's about to share.
Okay.
Paul Adjust has started screen sharing. So go to your browser. Go to wherever.
I'm actually using I'm coming. It's saying screen sharing is paused.
Yeah, play it. So go to a new exactly sharing now. I can see
Can you
there.
see my screen now?
100%. Very well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me go to I think a kind of a cleaner chart. So let me start from monthly. I basically use trend line and psychological level and M pattern. Let me quickly run through my my trend line here. On the monthly time frame, I have this. This is the third touch here. I have another trend line from this zone here. So this new week, I'm expecting for us to have some pullback based on this stuff, but I'll wait for confirmation. Let me go to weekly time frame now. So on the weekly time frame, I have this trend line here. So that's what I have for weekly time frame. We have been bullish since last week. I took some bullish trade during the week. So first or second touch, if price gives us a bearish candlestick here in the new week on the lower time frame, I will believe that the lowest price we sell is probably to sell down to somewhere like this and continue. But I don't know that yet. Let's go to lower time frame, daily time frame now.
Mr. Paul, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, you see that particular trend line, the time frame you were on.
Yeah, I was on the Monday time frame before. Do you want me to come again and explain something? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can I continue? Is somebody hearing me?
No, continue.
I can hear you,
Okay.
loud and clear. Continue.
Okay. So on weekly time frame, I have these two touches. Now on daily time frame. And one thing I usually do on trend line is that where one trend line stops, a new trend line starts from there for me. Let me go back to monthly time frame. You can see first or second touch, third touch. Then market started going extremely bullish. When we got a new low, a new higher low, I was able to start a new trend line from this zone. That is clearer on the weekly time frame. So you can see we have this first or second or so from this place that this monthly trend line stopped. I started a new one, and I actually put different colors for my trend line to make it clearer. Even when I'm on 15 minutes time frame, I know where this trend line is coming from. This purple is monthly. This one is weekly. You can see this W part and letter on it. This, I'm on daily time frame now. So you can see this new trend line that is daily. Now, I already know that we are fully bullish. What I need to do now is to go to 4 hours time frame and mark out what I'll be expecting for this week, especially for Monday and Tuesday. And after that, things will get clearer. So on 4 hours time frame, I have another higher low. So what I do is I'm going to apply my trend line from here to this zone. So first point, second point. So can you still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I
you can.
Okay, thank you. One of
Can
the
hear
first
you.
thing I'm expecting for this week, I've already confirmed that we are bullish, even though I believe that the bullishness is coming to an end. Are you getting me? I have more thorough explanation for that on my other chart. So I have more explanation for that here, some other confluences, but just staying with something that is standard, which is what I do. So I believe by this third touch, we are going to get a buy. And let me go to my other chart that I really use for trading. This is 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. Now, this is the touch. Or let me make it clearer. Pardon me. I don't want to give any confusion with good. Now, I'm alternating between my charts. This chart is the one that is higher time frame. Can you see 4 hours here? So I want to alternate to the one of 15 minutes now. This trend line you are seeing here, I'm going to show it on the chart that is 15 minutes. So I'm on the 15 minutes chart now. You can see this trend line that is cyan in color is the one that was here on the 4 hours. Let me increase the size so you can know that is the one. You can see that it's bigger now. So let's go to my other chart of 15 minutes. This is it here. So I'm expecting price to drop to this zone. This zone here. This 1.2950, this psychological level. I'm expecting price to drop there and for us to buy at this zone. That's what you will see here on my chart. This buy, what's it called? Risk to reward stuff. Can you see that? So I'm expecting a buy from this zone. What I just analyzed on this clean chart is exactly what I have on my normal trading chart here that has more information. You can see this purple horizontal line. Let me increase the size. You can see it. This purple horizontal line. This is a psychological level. And that psychological level aligns with this zone. Let me remove this M pattern. I'm coming. Good. So I'm expecting price to drop down from here to this zone. Maybe it will drop during initial session. It will pull back up a little. Then probably give us a W pattern during, what's it called? London session, and we will buy. But I'm not expecting the buy to go above this 1.30 because based on my monthly analysis, I'm expecting a sell. That's why you are seeing this other risk to reward here. I'm expecting a sell. Let me go back to my clean chart over here and go back to the monthly time frame so you can see why I'm expecting a sell. So see this trend line. First touch, second touch. I'm coming. So you can see first touch, second touch. Here is the third touch. So yes, price is fully bullish, but if I get a bearish pattern from here, I will want to sell. This is monthly time frame, and that's why you saw this M pattern I drew here on the 4 hours time frame. Price is here. I'm expecting price to drop down, which will confirm the buy I want to buy. If price gets back to this 1.30 psychological level and it starts rejecting, that will be a confirmation for us to start selling. So what I'm expecting all over from monthly time frame is that we have been bullish since last week. Price is touching this monthly time trend line for the third time. And on the weekly time frame, I'll be expecting something like a twister top. That is a candlestick behavior. Twister top. Let me show an example of a twister top. This candle here is an example of a twister top. This one. Can you see this full bullish candle followed by bearish candle? GBP USD does it a lot. So many times people will think we are still bullish, and immediately you resume into the week, the candle that will follow it will be a full bearish candle. Then price will pull back up by 50% before it continues selling. That's exactly what I'm expecting here. And if you look at this weekly chart, there was actually a trend line here also before. Can you see that? There was a trend line here that gave us a twister top. There was a trend line here that gave us this inside bar. This one is not completely a twister top. How will I explain it now? All these are just candle name. This is twister top when we have bullish candle followed by another engulfing candle. Here we have bullish candle followed by a bearish candle, but that bearish candle did not fully engulf the bullish candle. That is an inside bar, something like that. So you can see what this type of candle that I'm seeing here is what I'm expecting here. So that is what is giving me the expectation that we are going to sell in this new week. At least we might set down to this zone, and if market is still bullish, it will continue buying. But I'm expecting a sell this week. But my first trade tomorrow is a buy.
Hello, Mr. Paul.
Because hello,
Mr. Paul.
yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, the trail line, and some of them are not lining up.
I didn't hear you.
Some of the trail line are not lining up.
Which one and which one?
Yeah, let me tell you something. If you go and look at the Firepips, how they used to put their trend line, you see from the weekly, this one that is down here, if you go to the monthly or weekly, no, that one in the middle. If you want to put this one, if you go to lower time frame, yeah, you go to lower time frame.
Yes.
If you see the way they used to, their own, concerning, I don't know, that maybe that's your own pattern. That's the way you do your own. But if you go to the Firepips one, this trend line is not valid. 1, 2. The second one down here is supposed to come from the down. Sorry for interrupting. I'm just trying to see, because if I don't go use from the Firepips, they will not use from here. They will put it from this down here. that one you put there, where you put the cursor there,
You mean this
down
one
to the up.
from this zone, Abi?
Yeah, they will draw the trend line, go up. But it can be from the from they will leave the wick to those candle and they draw it to the trough.
Okay.
You go up like this. So this one you now put it there. If you go to the lower time frame, it's possible it may be there. You know. So, but from here, you know, the trough, the other one is go fine. You know. But if it now go maybe 4 hours or 1 hour, you may not see, you know, it goes at smaller time, smaller time frame.
Yeah,
so those trend lines can be possible there. I don't know, maybe it's our own pattern.
I get what you are saying. I get what you are saying.
Okay.
What you are saying is actually very valid. But from my observation of the chart also, I've observed what matters to me primarily is the troughs. Are you getting me? For example, let me show you a trade I took last week on Friday morning.
Yeah.
This trade. Now, if you look at this trade, I think I've even deleted that trend line. Okay. You look at this trade, there was a trend line that came from good.
I know if you're using it like a channel. I know if you're using like a channel.
I don't use
but
channel.
If you go to the,
I don't use channel. Actually, I don't use channel.
No, if you draw if you draw it in the lower time frame, it can form a channel. I think I'm sorry, man. I'll get my point.
What I'm even saying is that
higher low.
I actually don't use channel. I don't use channel.
No, I'm saying that if you draw the trend line, I'm not saying full channel, but if you're looking if you want to draw full channel, it will form higher low. It will touching those channel, those trend line and bouncing. Maybe can form M or form a kind of head and shoulder or something like to go up. I'm just trying. You know, if it's a Firepips, people that are there, they are listening to you now. Some of them will be confused. You know, because
No,
the trend
I
line
know
is
what
so
you're
much.
saying. I want to explain something. Now, this trend line here, this trade, first touch, second touch here, this trend line that I made very big. Now, this was supposed to be the third touch. Are you getting me? I was expecting a trade here.
Okay.
But this...
Please go to 1 hour. I want to see from 1 hour.
I'm coming. I only use 1 hour. I'm coming, but I will still show you that I'm coming.
Okay.
I use monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours and 15 minutes. That's what I use. But sometimes I check 1 hour, but it's not part of my conference like that. So see this trend line here on 15 minutes. This was the third touch. Are you getting me? Somebody that sees this trend line will think, oh, price has broken it. Price came to this trend line during the Asian session, and I don't trade Asian session. So I have my first touch, second touch here, and this was my third touch. I was expecting a trade to happen here based on my analysis. I was expecting a trade to happen.
All right, I'm back.
During
okay.
During London session, I was expecting a W pattern to form, even though somebody can say this trend line has been broken. Are you getting me? So what did I do? Even though I know there was supposed to be a valid trade here. Can you see this red trend line?
Yeah.
That was what later gave me the confidence to go into this trade. But normally somebody will say this is not valid.
You know, it's more confusing because there's a lot of trend line there. So it's more confusing.
No. All these other trend line you see, I later adjusted them after the trade played out. These ones are just new trend lines. I can even delete them. They were never there before. If you see, this trend line was created after this trade took off. That was when this trend line was created.
What's the psychological level? Is psychological level, is it there?
Is that what?
Psychological level, is it there?
My psychological level is there. That's what I'm saying. So even Mr. Williams will tell you this trend line you talked about here is valid. But as much as it's valid, this low is a kind of an extended movement.
Yeah.
So I just prefer to draw this trend line from year to year and to year. Assuming I was using this trend line, I will not have, let's say this was a lower time frame, I will not have gotten this trade. But this trend line is still valid because we are seeing it coming to this zone. But anyways, I don't want to go into that long explanation or something like that, so I won't confuse anybody. This was just my own trend line application.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe your own pattern of trading, you know. But in the Firepips one, you know, it's not as much like that.
What I'm saying, actually, I've seen Jeff himself did it in the back end videos. What I'm just saying, when there is an overextension, Jeff focuses on the closer, maybe lower low or higher low. I've
Mr.
watched
Paul,
tons of back-end videos, and I've seen Jeff himself do
No.
exactly what I'm.
Okay.
Mr. Paul, please, can you finish and round up with your analysis so we can move ahead? Just
Yeah.
finish.
Yeah, what I said earlier, I have a trend line here. First touch, second touch, third touch. I'm expecting a sell here. If I start getting a bearish momentum on lower time frame, then I will confirm that. I'm expecting this type of candle, just as I said earlier. I'm expecting something like a twister top, a bullish candle, followed by a full bearish candle. That's what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see my run through is in that Mr. Williams is back. So on the daily time frame, I have a first or second touch, signifying to us that we are still bullish. Then on the 4 hours, I increased this trend line because I was using it to explain this particular one. So I have my first touch and second touch also. So I'm expecting the price to come to it for the third time. Then I will buy on the 15 minutes time frame. But I'm not buying higher than this high because this is the same high I'm expecting for a sell. And I showed my risk to reward zone here. So I'm expecting a buy to happen here. I'll buy to the psychological level. And I'll be expecting some bearish momentum. If I'm able to confirm a bearish momentum, I'll be looking for a sell from here. So for me, I'm expecting a buy on Monday, but my overall expectation for the week is bearish. Thank you, Mr. Williams. I don't know if anybody have any question or something I said that needs clarification. And if there is none, I believe Mr. Williams can take over. I don't know if he's there.
Amazing. That's so nice. That's so nice, Mr. Paul. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming.
I really appreciate the
But seriously,
opportunity.
for coming to show what you're learning. You understand? It's very people think it's easy to just come and teach people or just come and share analysis. And because people came in with different perspectives and different mindsets. You don't know what someone is even passing through before coming to this class. If you come, the person can come and put it on your head. Come and put the frustration on your head without even you not doing anything. So I really appreciate your courage for coming through to this class and also teaching what you know. Okay, so at long run, you always keep getting better. So let me just analyze GU. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it for you.
Let me stop sharing from me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So GBP USD. What I'm expecting GU to do. So I'll come over to the monthly time frame. Remember, it's the weekly outlook. That's why I'm going from the daily time frame. I'm starting from the weekly time frame. So I'll get to the weekly time frame, yeah, to understand the structure of the market. What is the structure of the market telling me? Sorry, let me just push this. So what is the structure of the market telling me? The structure of the market is telling me that market is severely on a downtrend. It's on a downtrend. Nice. I'll come over to the weekly time frame. What's the weekly time frame telling me? The weekly time frame is telling me that there is a pattern to buy on this market. In as much as market is what? On a downtrend, please pay attention. In as much as market is on a downtrend, but this is telling me that market is on what? Market is buying. So what I'm expecting market to do on daily and 4 hours time frame is to form a W pattern for us to buy on GU. So GU is going to be more of buys this week. G is going to be more of buy this week. So please don't enter this buy. What I want you to do now is wait for market to retrace. When market retraces on 4 hours, market is going to buy. There will be more buys on GU this week, please. More buys on GU. You see, I didn't even go to the daily or 4 hours time frame yet to even know there will be more buys. But if you notice that even the candlestick itself is telling you that, oh, the presence of buyers are so much in this market. There are just little retracements on sellers. There are just little retracements for sellers. So expect more buys. So market forms a W pattern on 4 hours time frame. Please, it's safe to buy. It's very, very safe to buy. Is that clear, guys? If you understand that clearly, kindly let me know. Drop on. So Bitcoin, I've analyzed Bitcoin, you analyze GU. Let's go on gold. Easy peasy. I not draw my trend line. I not draw psychological level. I not draw Fibonacci retracement, but just understanding structures and pattern. Structures and pattern. That's what literally helps me to know what you're expecting to do. Okay. So I'll go over to the monthly time frame on gold. I'll go out to the monthly time frame. Oh, gold is an amazing pair, man. If you're trading gold, please just buy. Just buy. If you're trading gold, just buy, my brother. Just buy. Don't even look for sale. So wait for market to trace a little bit on gold from the 4 hours. Wait for market to trace and please keep buying. Keep buying gold. Buy gold. Market retraces down, buy gold. Buy gold. So gold is going to be more of buys this week. More buys this week on gold. So GU buy, gold buy. Okay, Bitcoin. I forgot what do we call on Bitcoin again? What do we call on Bitcoin? Like, I think I'm going to go back to Bitcoin to analyze the last one. So what other pair should we look out for? We traded gold, we traded GU. What other pair should we look out for, please?
Euro USD.
Euro USD. All right.
Sure, it's doing the same thing.
So what do you say?
I said I'm sure it's doing the same thing as GU.
Yes. I don't know. I don't trade all these pairs, but understanding of this just makes me know what we're expecting market to do. Okay. Just so simple and so straightforward. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin, GU buy, gold buy, border pair. We're trying to check EUR USD, Euro USD.
Sorry, Mr. Will.
Yeah.
I think I would like you to on GU. I would like you to go on 1 hour to take a trade tomorrow, because when I was doing my analysis, I think I'm seeing a short sell for tomorrow.
If you see short sell, no problem.
Monday.
I'm talking about the weekly. This is a weekly outlook. I said there'll be more buys this week. So if you're looking for a short sell, no problem. There'll be more buys this week. It does not mean that there will not be sellers. There will not be sell. There will be more buys this week. So out of these 5 days, they should be buying. Market should literally majorly buy this week. All right. So the 4 hours. Okay, this is Euro US dollars. I'll come to the monthly time frame. Let me reset it. The structure of Euro is on the downtrend, but the pattern is you need to watch it bigger and for. The pattern on the weekly time frame is giving you like a W pattern. That means market wants to buy. But now this buy can be very short, push up to this place, then drop down. But it's more buys before sell happens. If you buy on Euro USD before sell happens, if you buy, why is these pairs are just so juicy this week, man? Like, for you, like there'll be a lot of money to be made this week, guy. There'll be a lot of money to be made this week for you. Oof. So much money to be made this week. So much money. Crazy money to be made this week. Don't sleep on this. Nice. So this Euro US dollars is more buys. Any other currency pair I should look out for? Any other currency pair?
USD JPY. Can we do USD JPY?
Euro JPY.
USD JPY.
So already say
USD JPY. USD JPY.
USD JPY. Also, which any currency pair you want me to treat on, just write it on the chat box as well. All right. Okay, GBP JPY, UJ. Okay. USD JPY FX. So this is USD JPY. Yes. JPY. Okay. The structure. So if I was to enter USD JPY, this is a good entry for a buy. This is a good entry for a buy. So this is a good entry for a buy. Do you understand? On the 4 hours time frame, that's a good entry for a buy. That's a good entry for a buy, guys. That's a very good entry for a buy. So I know the market is on an uptrend. So, and the weekly time frame is not giving me any sign of reversal yet. So market is going to buy. USD JPY is buy. USD JPY is buy, please. USD JPY is buy. More buys this week. And more buys this week for USD JPY. Let me also treat on USD card. All right, USD card. We treat on USD card. USD card. Name writing it down. GU, I said GU is more of buys. GU more of buys. Is equals to buy. What happened do we treat? Okay, Euro USD. Buy. Gold buy. USD, what's the last one we did now? USD JPY buy. All right, USD card. Rwanda, let's go to USD card. This is a ranging market. USD card is just ranging. I'll not trade I will not trade USD card if I'm the one. I'll not trade USD card, but let me check the daily time frame. The market is just ranging on USD card. I'll pass USD card. I'll pass. I'm not doing anything on USD card. I'm not doing anything on USD card. Okay. GJ. GBP JPY. Please. GJ is more biased, but market should retrace. GJ is more biased, but please. Just wait for market to retrace. But GJ is more biased, but wait for market to retrace. Guy, this is just so clean. Please. So GJ, this is a clear uptrend market. GJ is more biased, please, but just wait for market to retrace. GJ is more biased, but wait for market to retrace. All right, very important to put in perspective. GJ is more biased. This is a clean. This is clean. This week is interesting. Like this week, next week is going to be very interesting. There'll be a lot of money made. This week and next week, so much money. This month entirely. This remaining 2 weeks is going to be so beautiful. Like, jeez, don't even miss a day. Don't even miss a day. This is money, man. This is money. This is money. Hey. All right, no problem. No problem. So that is it for today. Any other currency pair that we're missing? Any other currency pair that we're missing? Any other currency pair you are missing? Any other currency pair that we're missing? Wow. This is like this week and next week is going to be amazing. And like trust me, it's going to be so nice. Please don't miss on this at all. Don't even try to miss on this at all. Don't even try to miss on this. Don't even try. Don't even try. Okay?
Bro, you've not finished on the BTC USD you were doing earlier.
I finished on it. Just that I finished on it. That's not true. I finished on BTC USD. I was very, very sure I finished on BTC USD. I say if market comes and form an M pattern on the daily time frame, we'll be having more of sales. But if there's no form an M pattern on the daily time frame, then the market will be buying. That's what I told you.
Okay.
So I finished on it. Like I'm so certain. It's just very clear, very, very clear. Like, guys, please don't miss on any opportunity. Just stay on the channel, analyze your trade, stick to your trading plan, and your crazy money made this week and next week. Okay. Thank you so much for everybody for coming through to this class. I really appreciate it. This will be played on YouTube, so you don't need to worry about it. You can go back, and this you can go back on next week's Sunday to check out market play and to start. Bro, you don't. It's not to do too much. Just keep it simple, keep it straightforward. I always tell you, keep trading easy, keep trading simple. It comes because of a lot of practice, not of sleepless nights. So it's not as if there is no, just keep your chart clean and make it very simple and straightforward. Okay, so let's have an amazing week. And
Williams, please.
Right. Thank you.
Hear me, please.
Yeah, I can hear you very well.
I've been begging. I've said it in the group sometimes, and I've also messaged Mr. Jeff. I did that yesterday. I know that there is a new decision in the academy, but some of us, is even by chance that I'm able to attend to this class because of family and business and church, everything.
Yes.
And some of us can attend the live classes. Majority of the things I've learned in Firepips, I've been going through back-end videos. I've gone through over 20 of them just because they were recorded and they were made available.
Okay.
I don't know how you guys can help, but some of us can't make that live class sometimes. Sometimes is when I have to go and pick my wife or pick my child, or I have to go for business or this or that. So please, it's like a beg. These classes are important, and going through those recorded videos again and again, there's something it does to you.
Okay, the classes are recorded and they're uploaded, but for now, we've never like upload any classes. The ones at back office, you can literally be watching them. But the inside, because of the new structure and also the new websites that we're currently reconstructing, so upload these videos to accommodate it. Okay, so it's better that you have videos that you can be watching now, because if you try to upload videos on the website that we have currently, it's going to lag it and you might not have access to open your portal.
Okay.
So for the meantime, we listen, we understand all this, but we can't push beyond our limits for this particular thing. So we listen to you and we're quickly going to implementing, we're not sleeping. This is, how was the time? Between 2:50 to 11 o'clock p.m. I'm a very young boy, I have a lot of things to do in my life, but I just still have to have a weekly outlook with you guys. That doesn't mean that I cannot.
I get.
Do you understand? So everything you're saying, everything that you have said before earlier, I've put it into practice and we're doing the best to make sure that we serve you better. Okay?
I get what you're saying, but sometimes some of us can't just help it. You get.
I understand.
But we look forward to getting better with the website.
All right, I understand. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, everybody, and gracias to everybody. Let's have an amazing week and make so much money this week. Okay, thank you and have a beautiful night. Thank you.
Bye.